So I'm bringing to you an amazing hot selling digital business. Um, okay, so guys, I'm bringing to you an hot selling digital business or digital product now trendy, which is VTU website creator script. So for the past few months, I've been selling the script, developing VTU websites for clients and mobile app and thereabouts, which I will also want you to tap into this profitable business if you know about affiliate marketing very well. Then this opportunity is for you. Now, I'm not trying to say you get it scheme or there, but it's an optional choice for you to choose on. Now, our script before has different packages, which was like monthly payment, yearly payment, and lifetime access. But over time, we develop and improve on the script and make it to be a one-time payment and a lifetime access. Now, you also can, as the developer or the person that has gotten the script, can also resell it. What do I mean? Now, even though you don't have money to or resources to finance a VTU website, but you just love the business, you want to get into the business, this is for you. All you need is your 20k or the current price that I may be selling the script for when you are watching this video or live, or when you are watching this video currently. So for currently now, at August 2020 now, I'm selling the script for only 20,000 naira. But I don't know when you're gonna watch this video. Now, if you don't know what VT business is about, visual top-up business is about, go check out my website at dataplaza.com.ng and go through and there. But you can buy scripts as a developer and use scripts for clients, or you order for your own VT website or there. But this the amazing opportunity, the amazing purpose of me creating this video is to show young individuals, most especially students in the highest levels of education, like university and polytechnic and thereabouts, or those internet marketers who are poor athletes. Now, one thing you should know is that digital product is something that is a profitable business. You don't need a warehouse, you don't need a physical shop, all you need is a laptop or a phone with internet connection. While selling software is the most profitable digital product. Now, this script is just like a software. It runs once it's been installed on your server. It runs as a VTU port. It's automatically creates a VTU portal for your client, for your customer, or for you. So, and the script comes with an API. I will show you some good features of the script as we go down the video. So, the script comes with an API. There, by one API, you can also get a standard API. You can set data with it, set time, set TV subscription, set distributor, and thereabouts. So it has a custom provider or API. Yes, well, which I just said now. You can also use custom API, supported both get and post methods. Okay, automated and instant delivery. You don't have to manually send you with data or thereby to your clients. It's automated. Provided you have found your wallet, your clients can go to your website, your custom website, and get the data the VTU top up that they want. Then as a fantastic user interface, that is not something that you say you need to be coding or there, but if you know how to install WordPress in your server, you can install the script to install. So you can even start doing website development for getting VTU website for clients, thereby charging them for that and there. But now people can easily, you don't need to learn programming language, you don't need to be a high level Android developer and there, but it's just a simple way you install WordPress on your site to create a beautiful website. That's how you also install the script to your end point or your subdomain name and start creating the main site that will redirect to the VTU portal for clients. And there, but you can change the color, the color and the theme and there, and the design. That's not a problem. If you don't like the one you're seeing the default format of the script, you can change it. Unlimited payment method. This is the one I just love that we newly added to it now. You can, people from outside country or there, or even inside Nigeria, can use a Bitcoin to make payments, use PaySac, use online payment, use manual payment, any method whichever they like, to support it. Different payment method, and you get the transfer and you make your process your data to vend it for them, and thereby done automatically. You can hire a customer service care or done automatically. API service and automated API generator. The script has an API service available for your users, which was automatically generated based on the service available on the system, and it has well-explained API documentation for your users and resellers. Okay, you also see it for reseller. Now, the affiliate program is that each user has a unique referral code with which gadgets, JavaScript and HTML code available on the store portal to display banner that will be uploaded by your user for your user to share their paste on their website or blogs to bring in users, more users for you and in commission. The thing has an LMS system. If you know of some VTU websites that are doing that, I how they boost and grow their marketing system of their affiliates of their websites. The point is a secure back office that can manage the website. You see your wallet, you see what you have in, what you have been sold at, and manage it and there. But so you can control the price. You have the liberty to control the price. You don't. It's not like a limited market. You get your API from wherever API you want to get it from external or use our only control the price and there. But now the design of every of the website is very responsive. It does not look like on desktop is faster and remember no. On mobile is fast, tablet is faster, laptop is faster, desktop is fast. Any of the formats you do it. Now earlier when I mentioned funding on wallet. So user can instantly fund their wallet using card or USD code or debit transfer or whatever and fund their wallet, and it reflects on the dashboard. You can also fund your wallet with your APIs, and users once they fund their wallet can also automatically do that transaction with your website. Now, regular price I'm going to sell a script for is 30,000 naira. Now, my colleague them are selling higher price at 80,000 naira, 100,000 or thereabouts or below, I don't know. But this August day, this day now for this limited time offer is 20k, 20,000 naira. You get the script, you can resell, you use to create your own website, or you can sell to developers, create your own website, or use it on your own, or use it for creating for clients to make back 100% profit without any loss. You are not lost in, you are just making a one-time payment and you are getting a lifetime asset. This has also said this script now to clients for 70,000 naira. Now you can check out our demo. If you're on the page on dataplan.com, check out the demo. You identify the user page. You see the user interface and there, but so you can kindly go there. Contact me on WhatsApp on 07055487788 and chat up with me to get your license and your scripts and every other info you need to know and there. But thank you for watching this video. See you on my next video, or see you inside my WhatsApp where you get this script and start making your 6 to 7 figure daily. So I'm going to also give you some tips on how to market this script if you are a complete beginner to internet marketing. So if you're not a beginner, you're going to know how to market it, and within a day I'm making not less than 100k selling this script. It's 400% profit. Get it now. Come and get it now. Go to dataplan.com, contact me, implement, and start selling the script. The best way to start is the best way to know if a business is profitable is to start a business. Okay. This is my WhatsApp contact. Bye for now.